Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe if you like this video. 6 divided by 1 over 6 times 6. Now, let's solve this math expression. We can simplify this section. 6 divided by 6 equals 1 and 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. Now, 1 times 1 gives us 1. At the end, we have 6 divided by 1. So, our final answer is 6, but this answer is not correct because according to the order operations, we know that multiplication and division have equal priority. So we have to work from left to right. If we do this multiplication first, it is wrong. Now, 6 divided by 1 over 6. According to the KCF, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So, keep first fraction, 6 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 1 over 6, 6 over 1. Now, we have 6 times 6. So, this section is equals to 36. At the end, we had times 6. So, our final answer is 216. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.